Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be comparing the DeepSeek R2 and Claude 3.5 to answer one big question: which AI codes the better? I will break down their strengths in coding, debugging, and the real development tasks so that you can see which model performs better depending on the situation. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, let's take a look at their core design focus. So DeepSeek R2 is built with a strong emphasis on the technical reasoning and algorithmic problem solving. It performs very well when tasks involve mathematics, logic, and the complex coding challenges. Claude 3.5, on the other hand, focuses more on the practical deployment and workflows. It is designed to generate the clean code, explain the logic clearly, and help the developers build full features rather than just solving the isolated problems. So if I compare them based on the algorithm and the logic problems, so DeepSeek R2 usually performs very well in the tasks like data structures, competitive programming questions, and logic-heavy coding problems. It tends to produce the structured solutions and step-by-step reasoning. Claude 3.5, on the other hand, often produces more readable and maintainable code. The developers commonly use it for building the application features, writing APIs, or organizing the large code bases. If I compare them based on the debugging and the error detection, so DeepSeek R2 is strong at identifying the logical errors and explaining why something breaks. This makes it helpful when debugging the tricky algorithms or complex scripts. Claude 3.5 is also effective at debugging, but usually focuses more on the clean fixes and code clarity. Then we can basically make the differentiation based on the code explanations and the documentations. So Claude 3.5 usually provides you the clearer explanations and better documentation. This is helpful for learning the code, review, and the team collaboration. DeepSeek R2 tends to prioritize the technical reasoning rather than the detailed documentation. So if I talk about DeepSeek R2, so we have found out that it is better for algorithms, logic heavy coding, and debugging complex problems. Claude 3.5, on the other hand, is better for the real world software development, readable code, and documentation. So if this video helped you understand whether DeepSeek R2 or Claude 3.5 codes better, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.